Difference between Annexure and Appendix. By ahfa experto. In our daily job, we often come across the terms Appendix and Annexure. No matter how educated, skilled and informed we are, we most often find ourselves confused between Appendix and Annexure. So, this video will remove all our confusions regarding Appendix and Annexure. By the end of this video we can easily differentiate between Appendix and Annexure. An annexure is a supplement or attachment to the main text. An annexure can stand alone, means it can be submitted without the main copy. If we are attaching additional documents to the end of our text but they can make complete sense and provide important information even outside the context of our text, we can categorize them as annexure. An annexure can be created by the other party who is not the original author of the main text. Appendix. An appendix is a supplement or attachment to the main text, but it is not the part of the body of the main text. An appendix cannot stand alone, cannot be submitted without the main text. An appendix tends to be more closely connected than an annexure to the main text, and due to this connection, it would not be as informative or valuable outside the context of our main text. An appendix enhances or expands our main text by adding details like illustration, case studies, graphics, tables, examples, etc. An appendix is always created by the original author of the main text. Thanks for watching. For more videos, please subscribe our channel, ahfa experto.